Hello students, in the previous videos we have learned how to name alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now here we are going to name some more compounds, that is compounds with functional group. As we already know the rules, rule number 1, selecting the longest continuous carbon chain. Number 2 is the numbering of the carbon atoms. We have seen the number should be least. Then rule number 3, when a multiple bond is present, what we have to do, the least number should be given to the carbon with a multiple bond. Now if there is a functional group, when there is a functional group, then the carbon atom bearing the functional group should be included in the selected chain, even if it is not the longest chain, and then the least possible number should be given to it. So this is the emphasis for today's lesson, the fourth rule. Let us take a compound. Now alcohols, organic compounds having functional group. Alcohols, what are alcohols? The functional group is OH. So here we have a general formula. Alkyl group is obtained by removing a hydrogen atom from an alkane. Okay. Example, methane CH4. If you remove one hydrogen, so you get methyl group CH3 dash. One bond is open. Ethane C2H6 or CH3 dash CH3. One hydrogen is removed, you get this group, that is ethyl group. Okay, and same way we get propyl group. So if you remove one hydrogen from any alkane, what you get is the alkyl group. Now what is functional group? It is an atom or a group of atom which when added to the alkyl group forms a compound known as a derivative. A new series of compound is formed. Example, alkyl group plus functional group gives derivative. Okay, now you understood. So what are alcohols? Alcohols are derivatives having OH group. So any alkane, remove one hydrogen, put a OH there. Put an OH group, then you get alcohol. Okay, example, methyl group, methane, one hydrogen removed, OH is put. Methanol or methyl alcohol. The name IUPAC name is methanol. Then the second one, you have CH3CH2OH. This is ethane, remove one hydrogen, OH is put. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Then we have propanol from propane. One hydrogen removed, one OH is put. Propanol. Then we have butanol, we have pentanol, and so on. So this is how alcohols are named. Now we have substituted ones. Here what we find, the numbering. As per rule, the carbon with the functional group OH is here, should be given least number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pent 1 all. Okay. And there is a substituent 3-methyl. So 3-methyl pent, primary suffix ane, and then 1 all. Now the E of the primary suffix will be removed if the secondary suffix starts with vowel letter. So finally the name is 3-methyl pentanol. 1 will be ignored, 3-methyl pentanol. Now this compound, check this compound. Here we have this OH in this carbon. This side there are 2, this side 3. So this is the shortest side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the root word is hex, primary suffix ane, hexane. Carbon 3 has alcohol, ol. Hexane 3 ol or 3-hexanol. The E is removed because of the ol, OH. Right? Now we have hexane 2 ol. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane 2 ol. Hexane 2 ol or 2-hexanol. Okay? I hope you are understanding this. Now let us take more example. Here we have compound. So this one, the OH group is in the middle carbon. Numbering from any side will be okay. 2, 3. It will come to 3 only from any side. So 3 all. What is the root word? Pent. Primary suffix ane. Pentane 3 all or 3-pentanol. E is removed. Same way here. This is but. 4 carbon atoms. All is in the second one. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So butane 2 all or 2-butanol. Now here there are 3 carbon atoms. So it is propane 1, 2, 3. 2 all. Propane 2 all or 2-propanol. Then now let us take, this is about alcohol. Next is the aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is a CHO group. A C with an open bond, double bond O and H. Okay, the CHO is there. Simplest one is methanol. HCHO. The structure will be H, C, double bond and H like this. Okay. So one carbon atom. So meth, N, primary suffix, al. Methanol. Al is the secondary suffix for aldehyde. Formaldehyde is a common name. Second one, 2 carbon atoms. Ethane, al. 3 carbon atoms. Propane, al. 4 carbon atoms. Butane, al. 5 pentane, al. Okay. Now you should understand, whenever this aldehyde group comes, it always comes in carbon number 1 only. 1. Least number here, 2, 3. It is coming in 1. So that numbering problem is not there. Here you have a substituted 1. At carbon 2 there is a methyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butanal, 2-methyl butanal. Now this one is 3-methyl butanal. Okay, substituted one. Now let us take up carboxylic acid or alkanoic acid. So here the functional group is C double bond O and OH, or simply COOH. It is written like this, but actual structure is this. Okay. So here you can see the first one with the simplest 1 carbon only, methanoic acid. 2 carbon, CH3COH, ethanoic acid. 3 propanoic acid. And then 5 are here, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentanoic acid. Now here is a substituted one. 1, 2, 3, 4. At carbon 2 there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl, 4 carbons, butanoic acid. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 3 methyl butanoic acid. So this is how the organic compounds are named. Thank you for watching.